some Ukoy. See, I have the squash, I have the kamote or the yams, I have my shrimp, and then the green beans, and then I have the flour here. I'm just gonna prepare a batter. I minced some garlic, so I'm gonna put it here. That's gonna be the batter. So I put some salt, some pepper, and garlic on the batter. Then I'm gonna mix it with cold water. Okay. I'm mixing the batter with cold water. And then we're gonna mix all the vegetables and the shrimp later. Some Knorr seasoning on the batter, so yung original flavor. So this is the batter. I'm gonna put everything now. Put the shrimp. In you go. And then we're gonna put the kamote. In you go. Toge, or what we call the bean sprout. Then I'm just gonna mix them by hand. Of course, my hands are clean. I'm mixing together by hand so that the batter will coat all the vegetables. I just tried it. We'll see how this goes. My Ukoy. This is how they look, guys. I mean, the shape is not perfect, but we'll see. Still looks like Ukoy to me. Guys, let's try it. And I have this sausawan, pinakurat. Let's see. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. Tingnan ko nga. Wow! Masarap. Masarap siya, guys. Masarap. Tama-tama ang timpla. Hindi maalat, hindi matabang. Pwede na.